Did you know that rainforests are home to a plant that can walk? The Socratea exoryza, or walking palm, has stilt-like roots that allow it to move up to 20 meters a year to reach sunlight. This quirky adaptation helps it survive in the dense, competitive environment of the rainforest. Imagine a tree slowly tiptoeing through the jungle. This unique ability showcases the incredible adaptability of rainforest species, reminding us of the delicate balance in these ecosystems. If you found this fact fascinating, like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing stories.